Well, this is me making pancakes today, and they turned out fine. I had to cook them down slowly by slowly, and we enjoyed having them. Yep, it is a delicacy. These I made with eggs and milk and salt and sugar because I made my own butter, my own pancake flour, which I added a little water, a little milk, and a little eggs, a little bit of everything. Yep, that was me cooking down slowly by slowly. It was interesting because over time they cooked down. I haven't made pancakes in a while. So this was a nice reminiscence. Yep. Happy New Year! Today is the last day of this year, and we are all excited and also hopeful for a new year. Yep. Family time, food time, fun time. Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to my makeshift kitchen. I am using the griddle, and it works fine on Sigiri. Sigiri uses charcoal. So yeah, that's what I was doing on the last day of this year. I was doing pancake. I am watching with you. I actually got lost watching. Anywho, yeah, pancakes are good for breakfast even anytime you like. You make them and put a little honey or syrup or fruit. Yep, it does work. I think I made more of a crepe than the pancake, but what's more of a difference is probably the size. Yeah, because the crepe is kind of like this. Yeah, kind of. And the thing is, I'm using oil because I can't find the butter. So we are using oil today. You can use margarine. Yeah, but butter tastes better. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter Betty bought was a little bit bitter. So Betty bought another bit of butter to make the bitter butter bitter. Absolutely, Betty. It's a Betty day, making Betty pancakes without the Betty recipe. Yup, Happy New Year. It is the last day of December. And guess what? We are making pancakes over here in my kitchen. It is a kitchen goodie. Always onto some foodie. Pancakes are a delicacy in America. But we are adapting because we can use baking flour, yes, to make pancakes. I think there is a special flour for pancakes. However, we don't have it here. I always make my butter from home. Butter. I always use baking flour even in my kitchen. Oh yeah, you just do this. It is the softness and the salt sugar solution that makes it taste great. It is kind of healthy because I put eggs. Eggs have protein, and I put some milk. Yep, good for your muscles. An unhealthy breakfast the healthy way. Absolutely healthy. Look at that. Oh man. I made a masterpiece. That was. Don't mind my ghetto is dirty. Oh, it's worn out, I think. Not necessarily dirty. Kinda worn out. Or because it's made locally, so it looks rough. And there I was turning the pancakes, making some more. That was a lot of oil. A lot of oil. Uh-huh. Ooh, that is ooey gooey. Yep, I turned it up and turned it up some more until we were done. And everybody tried the pancakes. That looks like a knife for a Rolex style of a chapati. But today we made one piece pancake Rolex. Is it a pancake Rolex? Yes, because you can roll it actually. Yo, that was good. The process is interesting. I just need fire on and then we do something. Look at that. Mm. That is my heart, Guido. Guido, please tell me what this is called. Keep calling it a Gado, Guido, Gado, Grido, whatever. My bad if I'm saying it the wrong way. However, I think it's a Gado. If not, it's a Grido. Oh, Google it then. I will. It looks like a Gado to me, but it's probably a Grido. Why are we obsessed with the name? Because it's important. These are good for you because you gotta put healthy stuff in it. Serve with your fruit. We ate it like a snack. Probably pretty much. That was messed up. I wish the eggs would show up yellowish so that it gets a color or a texture. That would be good. Yellowish pancake. Maybe if you make the butter and then put the egg on top or the yolk. Wow, that would be nice. However, this works for now. You keep frying and turning them. And then when you're done, serve them with some honey or some syrup. Sweet tooth. Simple process. You get your flour, add some salt, some sugar. You can put whatever you like in it. Then you mix until smooth. And then when it is smooth, you are ready to put it on a hot pan or a hot griddle or girdle. Yep, and then put a little butter, margarine or oil. Any oil. Usually it's butter, but we are using oil today. Oil. They say it's bad for you. Sometimes you gotta make some good stuff. You know, at my feet, it's a short space. I am close to the fire. Yo, it was interesting though. Yep, I love being in the kitchen, making something nice. Somebody's fallen. Okay, we keep going. Excuse me. I need to finish. Look at that. Ooh. Goes bubbling. You know what? Pancakes must be a delicacy everywhere. It is a simple process, really. I prefer waffles, but I don't think waffles actually turn out great. Pancakes in a waffle maker would be a great idea. I love waffles, probably more than pancake. But I don't have the machine right now. I will find one. We make those waffle pancakes. Where? Excuse me. I'm trying to take a nap. Man, look at that. Oh, simple sigiri, fire, and just the pot. You don't need much. Need a few things. If your people don't like eating eggs, you hide the eggs in the pancakes. And you put anything you like in the pancakes. You could in fact put real things that are thick and then fry them. Iggy, cabbages or carrots or any vegetables you would put in your pancakes. You call them carrot pancakes. That sounds amazing. Good idea of a pancake. Putting vegetable in the pancake. Well, mine was plain simple today, and that is what the idea was, because I haven't made them in a while. Yep, you put carrots, you put tomatoes, you put anything you like. In fact, you can cut them on top. Cut the tomatoes here and put them on top. And they hide inside the flour. I mean the mix. Now that oil is too much, but I couldn't remove it by any means. Oh, kidoki. That's bubbling hot. The bubbles says something. I don't know what, but it says something. that it's time to turn them around, perhaps. Okay, look at that. Oh yeah, that is perfect. It is. It looks like injera. I was just saying today, they look like injera. Oh, okay. You gotta turn it up. Oh, look at that. Perfect texture. Like injera itself, almost. Injera is Ethiopian food. It is bigger, though. That press is cool for the best texture. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Oh my. That looks like the thing in the wild. It's not a fern. I wonder what it's called. It's probably an acai. No? What do they call those plants? The plants that grow like grass and make hollows. Probably fungi. Yeah, fungi, some fungi. And some cacti, I think, make those round shapes like the side of the pancake. Ooh, there we go. We had to put another one. I was getting into it, and then the butter was done. When the more you make, the better you get at it. I have recognized that. I made a few, and my skills came aboard. Yep. Now I am a skilled pancake maker. Do you agree or not? Yeah, look at that. Ooh, that is crazy good. Now the last ones were perfect. Yep. This shows you need to try and do until it is perfect. Yep. Perfection takes time. You want to put oil? I guess not. Yep, you do. Put oil. Whee! I needed a better oil. Excuse me, a better oil regulator so we don't put too much. Or butter or margarine, because pouring oil is not easy. It might end up a lot. I know. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now, by this time, everybody was wondering what I was doing and ready to try it. Fire. Now, that's the results. Look at our pancakes. Yo. Pancakes are fire. Merry. Well, Happy New Year.